Welcome to the PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is Ukraine occupied Kursk region in Russia. Recently, Ukraine's top commander said that they had set up a military commandant's office in the occupied part of Russia's Kursk region. Colonel General Alexander Syrskyi of the Ukrainian army claimed that Kyiv's forces had advanced 35 kilometers into the Kursk region since launching an incursion into Russia last week. He also claimed that Ukrainian forces had taken control of 82 settlements and an area of 1,150 square kilometers. Ukrainian military officers also claimed that we are further moving forward in the Kursk region and had taken up to 1.5 km in the last 24 hours. Kyiv's surge into Russian territory caught Moscow by surprise, seizing the initiative from Russian forces who have been grinding out small but steady gains all year in the east of the country. These advances are the largest attack on Russia since World War II and have overturned a perception of a fading Ukraine on the back foot. Russian-Ukrainian forces were still on the attack and that it would beef up its border defenses, improve command and control, and send in additional forces. Russia claimed that Ukraine's operation in Kursk was planned with NATO, and the West and warned that if Western weapons were used in Russian territory, then Moscow would consider that a grave escalation. Let's now discuss the impact of the recent incursion of Ukraine in Russia. In a delayed response, Russian President Vladimir Putin has vowed to hit back with a worthy response to the incursion. In response, Russia had prepared a series of measures to defend Russia's border regions of Kursk, Bryansk, and Belgorod. The incursion has led to the evacuation of thousands of people on both sides of borders. Ukraine has ordered the evacuation of Pokrovsk, a city in the Donetsk Oblast, as Russian forces approach the region. There are chances of further escalation of 2.5 years of ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. Before moving further, on this Independence Day, Drishti IAS is delighted to announce flat 40% discount on all online PCS courses. For more information, click on the link given in the description below. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently, Ukrainian forces have occupied which region of Russia? Kursk, Bryansk, Belgorod, or Crimea? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।